Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. So here is the latest update regarding TS MSET 2026. JNTU Hyderabad has frozen 5 test zones for TS MSET 2026 due to a surge in applications exceeding center capacity. Candidates registering now will not see Mehboob-Nagar, Nalgonda, Sangareddy, Adilabad and Nizamabad as test zone options in the application form. And this is for all the streams: engineering, agriculture and pharmacy. So the University JNTU took this step after receiving a large number of applications from these regions, which exceeded the available capacity of exam centers in those districts. As a result, the authorities removed these zones from the list of selectable options in the online application form. Officials clarified that candidates who are completing the application process now will not see these zones in the registration portal. This measure aims to ensure proper management of exam centers and avoid overcrowding during the entrance examination. According to available data, the number of applications has already approached around 96,000 registrations, indicating strong participation in the entrance test this year. So nowadays, the candidates who are really not so good in science, but still they join science streams to become an engineer or a doctor, but they lack dedication and hard work. So such students are also applying. That's why the students who actually study really hard are now finding it difficult to enter the test zones. The TS MSET 2026 registration and application details. The process already began on 19 Feb and the candidates can submit their forms without late fee until 4th April 2026. So by writing this MSET exam conducted by JNTU on behalf of Telangana Council of Higher Education, students can take admission into several undergraduate programs. The exam serves as a gateway for admission to courses such as BE and BTech, BPharm and PharmD, BSc Agriculture and allied programs. So there are many like that. Candidates must select their preferred test zones during registration. The final allotment of exam centers is made based on the chosen preferences and availability of slots in each zone. Another thing is that Hyderabad 4 test zone may not be appearing as an option, as commented by a student also, because it has likely reached its maximum capacity of applicants. So you need to apply for other nearest zone students. Now the MSET exam dates and admission process. So for agriculture and pharmacy streams, the dates are 4th May and 5th May for the exam, and engineering stream it is 9th, 10th and 11th May. So once you write your MSET exam, you'll get the result and rank card. You'll get the merit list and counseling schedule also. Now counseling means based on your rank, you will get a seat. So your admission will depend completely on your rank card and merit list. But the zone issue, honestly speaking, it is going to create a lot of hassle for the students. Students, if you think I was able to help you, then don't forget to hype this video and don't forget to contact me on my Telegram ID if you want easy notes. Do check out the playlist that I gave in the comment section and hit the bell icon to get notified for my next upcoming video.